What do you want to be remembered for? It's a question that can stop us in our tracks, making us ponder the very essence of our existence. Welcome to The Legacy You Leave Behind: How to Make a Lasting Impact. I'm your name, and today, we're going to explore how you can start building your legacy right now. Your legacy isn't just about what you leave behind when you're gone. It's about the impact you make every single day. Let's dive into 5 key steps to create a legacy you'll be proud of. Define your values. What matters most to you? Is it kindness, innovation, education, or environmental conservation? Identifying your core values is the first step in shaping your legacy. Set meaningful goals. With your values in mind, set goals that align with them. These aren't just career milestones, but life objectives that contribute to something greater than yourself. Take action daily. Your legacy is built through consistent actions. What can you do today that contributes to your long-term impact? Remember, small actions compound over time. Invest in relationships. The lives you touch are a crucial part of your legacy. Nurture meaningful relationships and mentor others. Your impact will ripple through generations. Embrace continuous learning. Stay curious and open-minded. The more you learn and grow, the more you have to offer the world. Building a legacy isn't about grand gestures or instant recognition. It's about the consistent choices you make and the lives you touch along the way. Your legacy is already in progress. The question is, are you consciously shaping it? Remember, you don't have to change the entire world to leave a meaningful legacy. Sometimes changing one person's world is enough. Start today. Be intentional and create a legacy that truly reflects who you are and what you stand for. This is Motive Boost, reminding you that your legacy starts now. What will you do today to make a lasting impact?